A California judge is siding with the state and has now put on hold a school district's next steps. Chino Valley Unified School District wants parents to be notified when their kids begin a transgender journey. They want parental rights. The state's attorney general says the school's policy amounted to forcing outing, and he supports the judge's ruling.
The only North Star here is, are you adhering to the law or are you violating it? And they are violating it. And the court agreed with us today.
So the judge and the state want secrets to be kept from the parents. People who attended a recent district board meeting were split on the decision.
Rob Bonta has decided to use our taxpayer dollars, our money, in order to sue our district because our district decided not to keep secrets from their parents.
You've spent most of your time using fear to create hysteria about transgender students.
I just want to say how proud I am of this board that we have. Thank you so much for continuing to stand up for what is right.
The recent decisions and actions of this board are off base, and while evocative of very strong opinions on either side, remains tangential and unproductive to the improvement of student outcomes.
Sonia Shaw, Chino Valley Unified School Board President, welcome back. And you said you'd be with me for an update. We'll get it. Emily Ray, Senior Counsel at Liberty Justice Center. I'm actually going to start with you, Emily Ray, because you have decided to take on this case and defend parental rights and the school board. Why?
That's right. Well, it's so important that parents' constitutional rights are protected. Chino Valley instituted a policy to make sure that there are no secrets kept from parents, and that's important, and that's a fight that we want to stand with Chino Valley in.
Do you think you can win?
I think we can win. The law is not on the Attorney General's side here. There is no California law that says schools can keep secrets from parents. The law is clearly on our side, and we intend to fight this hard and win in court.
Sonia, I would imagine now that people have really started to voice themselves at the school board meetings. They see the power in that. No matter how they feel on this issue, I look at how they were cogent and calm and talking from different points of view. You have made a difference no matter what, but that's not enough for you.
No, I mean, we're here to do a job. We're here to bring back the family unit. Sacramento waged a war, and we're prepared to fight. And look, we're provided with the best team. I am so excited to link up with Emily and have her represent our district. You know, the judge said something. Bonta said something. The judge was on their side. Absolutely, but on the wrong side. He also admitted he never looked at the documents. So how can you make a fair judgment without looking at the documents?
Wait a minute. What do you mean he never looked at the documents?
That's not even a joke. He went on record and he literally said two things. He said, I didn't even look at the defense paperwork, which is ours, which we hand delivered him an extra copy in addition to getting them on time. And also, he also said something. He said the state is trying to make him legislate law from the bench. Now, you tell me, regardless of his decision, and we all know that I'm not trying to say bad things, but the judges are appointed by who? And he says those two things and you call it fair? I mean, it just shows the dictatorship here in California. But guess what? Parents are linking up. We're not going to give in. We're not going to give up. These government bullies are not going to win. We're going to win. We have the law on our side, just like Emily said.
So I think you're trying to avoid saying Gavin Newsom's name, the governor, or maybe Democrats in general, because it is basically a very blue state.
Yeah, this one was Democrats in general is what I'm saying. But Gavin Newsom and his political cartel with his puppets are doing everything he can, but without actually saying it himself. He's trying to use everybody because we all know his final goal. But they're all revealed. We're not going to give in. And that's the most beautiful part is we have a rock star team ready to take this on. And I believe in my heart we're going to win.
Real quickly, just remind everybody of your story. And we don't have a lot of time, but I want people to understand what's happening with parents and how you got to be where you are.
Yeah, so I'm just a soccer mom without the knowledge of how bills went through when the shutdown happened. We saw an attack on families and our students at schools. We got involved, started asking questions, didn't know what a school board was, found out our school board did not care about parents' voices. And I ran for school board, won the seat. I made a promise to our community, and here I am today.
There you go. Emily Ray at the Liberty Justice Center, we appreciate you being with us today as well. Again, keep us posted on this push forward. The whole country is watching you from Virginia, where this started, to California. God bless you both. Thank you.